Imagine a device so advanced that the word smartphone no longer feels adequate to describe it. For nearly 2 decades, we have lived through the glass slab era, a cycle of incremental updates, slightly better cameras, and slightly faster chips. But in the corridors of Apple Park, the cycle has been broken. We are standing at the precipice of a new epoch in personal technology. This isn't just about a bigger screen or a new color. This is the story of the iPhone 18 Pro Max. The device that finally bridges the gap between a pocket companion and a professional cinema camera, a supercomputer, and a gateway to a seamless AI future. If you are watching this right now, you aren't just looking for a phone. You are looking for an edge. You're the person who demands the absolute peak of what human engineering can achieve. In this video, we are going to deconstruct this marvel. We are going to explore why the transition to 2nm silicon changes everything. The secret behind the variable aperture camera system that is terrifying the professional photography industry, and why the rumored record-breaking battery life is more than just a marketing gimmick. This is the deep dive the world has been waiting for. By the end of this video, you won't just want the iPhone 18 Pro Max. You will understand why it is the only device that matters in 2026. Let's start with the brain of the beast, the A20 Pro Silicon. To understand the iPhone 18 Pro Max, you have to understand the significance of the 2nm process. For years, we've been refining the 3nm architecture, pushing it to its limits. But with the A20 Pro, Apple and TSMC have achieved a breakthrough that feels like science fiction. We are talking about billions of additional transistors packed into a space the size of a postage stamp. This isn't just a 15% speed boost, it's a 30% jump in thermal efficiency. This means the iPhone 18 Pro Max can handle the most intensive tasks: 8K video rendering, high-end AAA gaming, and complex generative AI, without breaking a sweat or dimming its screen. But the A20 Pro isn't just about raw power, it's about intelligence by design. Apple Intelligence has matured. We are moving past simple Siri commands and photo edits. The A20 Pro features a dedicated neural core that processes human intent in real time. Imagine your phone predicting your needs before you even tap the screen. It's analyzing your environment, your schedule, and your habits to ensure that the information you need is already waiting for you. This is the first iPhone that doesn't just respond to you. It understands you. Now let's talk about the window to the world. The display. The iPhone 18 Pro Max features a 6.9-inch Ultra Retina XDR panel. But the headline here isn't the size. It's the disappearance of the dynamic island. After years of refinement, Apple has finally achieved the invisible Face ID. By moving the flood illuminator and infrared sensors beneath the display, the dynamic island has shrunk by 35%, leaving only a tiny surgical punch hole for the camera. This is the closest we have ever come to a true all-screen experience. And with the new LTPO Plus technology, the refresh rate isn't just variable, it's intelligent. It can drop to a staggering 0.5 Hz for the always-on display, saving massive amounts of power, or ramp up to 144 Hz for a gaming experience that rivals high-end PC monitors. But here is where the competition starts to get nervous. The variable aperture